I show you something that we are doing in my choir, Mohan choir, always. In the beginning, it looks like joke, laughing, but please, it's a serious.
Právě se nacházíme na zkoušce sboru Domino a já mám tady vzácného hosta až z Izraele, Naomi Faran. Hello, welcome
Hello.
here.
Thank you.
And I'd like to ask you, how do you like this space, this university?
Oh, this is so special and very good for my work. Actually, I love to work with choirs, like with normal space, this, and not with chairs, which I can give them more moving, feeling each other. So this space is very good.
Yeah, and what do you think about the choirs?
Oh, very, very good choirs. Actually, I surprise a little bit because they prepare so well with our language, with the Hebrew, which is not easy at all to study, and they prepared so well. So only my job now is to create the music, to give them the feeling of the Israeli Jewish music. But I love very much those choirs, very much.
Yeah. And how do you like Opava, our town?
This is my second home. I'm here like fourth time, so I feel at home in Opava, and I love the people very much, and I love my friends here, and the choir become one of our music life in my.
For how long do you know our Domino?
Oh, Domino, I met the first time in 2005 in Spain. It was a festival called Vic, and it was in Vic town, and I worked with them, with Spanish choir, I think, and Swiss choir, and it was so nice meeting and working with some of the songs that we are going to hear and to sing here, and from that time we became more than friends. It's like family. And they invite Ivana and Eva, and they invite me to come several times, as I say, 4 times. So I feel like home, second home of me. And I hope that the choir also will come again to visit Israel, because they were in Israel in 2010, I think. And I hope to have you again in Israel.
Yeah, and what do you think about tomorrow's concert?
Very exciting about the concert. Of course, it will not be perfect because to work with the choir is so short time. But I think it will be musically, and I hope that the children will feel the love of singing this kind of music, of Israeli folk music and Jewish, and the text is full of meaning. So I hope that the choir will give it to the audience, this present.
Yeah. So that's it, that's all. Thank you for the interview.
Thank you so much to have you and for the interview. Beautiful! mother, this place, this ground, everything is here, okay? This is a text. Now sing. I live in a small village near Tel Aviv, not far from Tel Aviv. It's called Beit Yitzchak, house of Yitzchak. So that's the meaning. And in this village, we are 700 families. That's it. It's not big town. Okay, it's small. And I decided 30 years ago, many years ago, to start with choirs.